Let's explore the 3rd through 8th grade student experience in Ignite Christian Academy by AOP. Each school day, your child will complete lessons by logging into their student dashboard online. Throughout the week, you will support your student using the parent dashboard resources and guide your student to connect with their teachers and counselors as needed. Ignite automatically tracks your child's progress to ensure timely interventions if needed. If your student is in public or private school and is seeking to repeat a course or grade level, your student can complete any necessary language arts and math courses at an accelerated pace to ensure they stay on track with their education. A grade report will be provided for any completed courses. In addition to the core subjects, electives are offered as early as 3rd grade, which allows your student to continue expanding their knowledge in areas that interest them. Parents are encouraged to partner with their child on managing their schedule by setting up agreed-upon deadlines. We encourage parents to use the provided pacing guides and due dates to ensure an on-time finish with ICA deadlines. This helps establish their time management and critical thinking skills, along with strong parent-teacher relationships. As your child grows, so will their attention span and capacity to learn. 3rd through 5th grade students can expect 20 to 30 minutes per lesson. Middle school children can plan for 30 to 45 minutes per lesson. Enrollment at Ignite Christian Academy ensures academic guidance for your child and social-emotional support provided by our certified teachers and professionals on staff. It also ensures direct teacher instruction opportunities for your child and a community for you as a homeschool parent. Students also have the opportunity to participate in clubs, fairs, and more with their peers through teacher-moderated platforms. The greatest benefit of Ignite Christian Academy by AOP for 3rd through 8th grade is the ability for students to work at their own pace with the support of licensed teachers and counselors who are all committed to help their students grow academically and spiritually through a Christian worldview. Is Ignite Christian Academy right for your 3rd through 8th grade student? Schedule a free advisor call and start building your child's foundational skills today.